I'm going to show you how to enable or disable command prompt on your computer for XP or for Vista. Doesn't matter which. I'm going to show both. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it on XP. I'm going to do it on my Vista machine right here, okay, on my Vista partition, because I don't want to switch over to my XP and then switch over to my Vista. I'm sorry, I'm too lazy to do it. Okay, they're similar, very similar, in the whole enabling, disabling thing. Okay, so first of all, for XP, you want to click the start button right here. You know what I mean, start button. Okay, and then there should be a little run, like, option there. Click it. Okay, I don't have that option, so I'm going to manually do the search for it, and I'm just going to go into run. Okay, and then what you want to type in is regedit, okay, which that spells regedit, okay? Once you're done that, you want to click OK, or enter, whatever you prefer. Okay, sorry about, I already did this like 300 times, so I didn't change it back. First thing you want to do, as an XP user, you want to go to HKey current user. Click the little arrow on the left of it. Okay, then this little drop down thing comes down. You want to go to software, click the little arrow. It comes down to this big stuff, or these big keys in the registry editor. You want to go to policies, click the little arrow, Microsoft, and then Windows. Okay, in XP you should have a system folder here. Left click it, okay. And then there's the disable CMD option. Okay, so if it's disabled, there's double click on it. There should be a 2 in the value data box there. If it's enabled and you're just not thinking and it's actually enabled, there should be a 0 there. Let me repeat this. If it's disabled, there's a 2, okay? If it's enabled, there's a 0. So, if you want to change it from disabled to enabled, put a 0 instead of a 2. Understand? Okay, good. So, I'm going to keep it at 0. So, 0. Enter. Okay? So, that was how to enable command prompt on XP machine. Sorry, I'm just a little confused right now, because I'm thinking about a whole bunch of stuff at the same time. So I'm getting tongue twisted. Okay, so now this is how to do it on Vista, okay? First thing you want to do is you want to click the Pearl button down here. That's what it's called technically, but you can call it the start button. Okay, and you want to see this little search box here. You want to type in regedit, just like before. regedit, enter, okay? It's already selected and everything, so it should be here. Okay, first thing you want to do is tick the little arrow on HKey underscore current underscore user. Go down to software, click that. You want to scroll down to policies, okay? You want to go to Microsoft, okay? And then you want to go to Windows. Now, you should have one key here. That's what they're technically called, but folder, whatever. You should have current version, no system there. Okay? If that's the case, right click or left click on Windows so it's selected. Right click on it, go down to new, and then go to key. Okay? Click key and then rename it to system. I already did this, so I don't really have to do it. So, hit enter, and then there you go. Now I'm going to show you how to make this disable CMD 32-bit D-word value, okay? So once you got the system key put into the Windows folder in HK current user, right click on it twice so it opens, or left click on it, left click on it, once, and it comes into this little box thing here. Okay, you should have just a default value there. So, and you won't have this disable CMD yet. So, you want to right click in the box, go to new, go to dword 32-bit value. Okay, and then this rename thing comes up. You want to go capital D, disable. Okay, and you want to go in capitals CMD. Okay, I already did it, so again, I do not have to do it. Okay, so once you have the disable CMD value in, double click on it. Okay, and a little box comes up that tells you information about the value. Now, if you want to enable, like again, if you want to enable the value data, if you want to enable the command prompt, sorry, you want to put a 0 in the box, okay, in the value box. Now, if you want to disable it, you want to put a 2 in the box, okay? So, I'm going to put a 0 in the box, because that's how I enable it. Okay, I want to press enter. Okay, exit. And that's how to enable command prompt on XP or Vista. I think it's similar for like Millennium, like XP Millennium or XP 95, 98, whatever. I think it'd be probably the same. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.